Hey YouTube fans, blah blah blah, what's the difference? I just wanted to show you how loud and how much I sound like a guy when I burp. Gotta inhale air. Just in case I forget to say excuse me. Ah! I burp a lot. You should see my dad. His farts reek too. I don't fart. Just to let you know. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.